Oh no, oh, it's open. I could just open it. Yeah, look at that. Now we're talking. This is exactly what I was talking about. We have this Raphael. What is up, guys? It's Mike here, back at it again with another one. This one is an opening of a box from Shop Goodwill that I did a while back, and it was a great one. There's something in there that made the whole thing worthwhile. It blew it open. It was sold for much more than what I paid. There's one downside on this video. There is a fuzz on my face. Don't look at the fuzz. Do not look at the fuzz. You're going to be looking at the fuzz the whole time. But I had to upload the video. It was a good one. But yeah, alas, looking back, there's this fuzz on my face the whole time. And just makes for quite the entertainment. I didn't see it till the end of the video. But watch along and see if you can guess which one sold for a lot. Kind of a spoiler as I open it up. You'll see. Hey everyone, and today we have another box from Shop Goodwill. This one's pretty big, pretty heavy. It's one of two things. I think I know what it is, so let's just open it and find out. I'm not going to speculate, okay? Oh boy. Alright, so we got some, we could see some stuff here. What do you guys see? I see a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle van, the pizza van, and we're going to just start right with that. Get right into it. All right, here we go. Yeah, look at that. Now we're talking. It's got the stickers on it, pretty good shape. Look at that. All right, this is a good start, but I knew that was in there, obviously. That's a big one. Thank you. Appreciate it. Okay, what is it? I don't remember having. It's like a mini one. Let's get it open. Oh my goodness! All right, we have a Leo riding in there. So this is a Leo version of this bus here. Oh, this is great. Okay, I'll have to look that up. Thank you. All right, now for the fun stuff. We got this bag here of just vintage. I feel the vintage in here. You feel it? Oh, I could see. I already see some good ones already. So I'm gonna open this. Let's get through. Sorry, there's a teaser there. There's a teaser. All right, we're gonna get through this because this is easy. This is just wait a minute. Is this the late? Oh, this is weird. So I had Donatello, Michelangelo, Raphael, and I did not have Leo of this. Wow, that's unbelievable. This would have completed the set, but I actually sold the Donatello. So, check it out. Let's see, I'm guessing we're going to need batteries. And then I think you press the shell. Oh, this might be a newer one. Oh yeah, it has wheels on the feet. The previous video has one like this, and it's smaller. This is nice. All right. Is there a spot for this? Thank you. Okay, let's dig into the goods. This is where it's at right here. Okay. Now there's something in here that I saw that made me want to buy this whole thing, and hopefully it's in here. I'm just gonna talk about it and then have nothing to open and then be embarrassed. But the hint is the universal. Oh no! Oh, it's open. I could just open it. How awesome is that? We're gonna power through these, okay? First up, this is exactly what I was talking about. We have this Raphael that is Universal Studios, I believe, special version of Raphael that I have to pull up the price here, but this was worth it. I didn't have one of these growing up. Really wanted to see it in person, and here it is. So this is going to be a good one. I'm just going to lay them in there for now. Okay, ooh, we have Leonardo, but more importantly to me, he's got both swords. Very rare you see both swords. It's always just one. Anyway. An accessory, which I think is for the van, but I'll double check that. We have a Baxter Stockman here, which is great because another reason I bought this whole set, I have all of his accessories, except I can't attach it anywhere. So now I have the figure, I can make the full set. That was one of the big things I saw on that. And let's just seeing the year on these bad boys. But they should be, most of them are 89, I believe. Well, not all of them. So far we haven't seen. Yeah, this guy, this is the original one. Oh, he has a sword. I don't know if that sword goes to him, though. I'm starting to learn. I think he has baseball bats. I have green ones, so This is a duplicate for me, but this is it's good to have. Maybe it's cleaner than mine. We have a surfing Michelangelo with a really tiny head. What is going on with this head? Oh, his nunchucks, are they broken? No, that's part of the toy. That's a small head. All right, we have a cool looking Donatello. A little bit newer. Nice and clean. That's great. Oh, look at this guy. We have a Raphael with like a red shirt. Backwards feet right now. Fix that. Ooh. We have a Donatello. Is this the spinny one? Yeah, I'm not sure if it's a spinny one. Sorry, I should show you guys instead of just staring at it. Or maybe this is just one of the original 80... Yeah, I see 80s. Yeah. I'll have to look later. I think this might be. So he's a hard head. So there's soft heads and hard heads. The soft head was the first line that came out. You could actually feel their head by squeezing it. Not too hard though. Oh, we have a... I don't know. We have a Donatello of a different version that I'm not familiar with. It's like a steel shell. Steel shell series. Ooh, it's Foot Clan, I'm guessing. No, he's green. Oh, I gotta look that up. I don't know what that is, to be honest with you. What else we got here? Oh, I love this. I just sold one of these. So I have a Leonardo. I think it's the movie version. Very soft. I love this one. Here, feel this one. Feel the difference. Yeah. Soft. I love it. That's great. I didn't even know that was in here, actually. We have Metalhead with a belt. I love this guy. I keep thinking, like, he's so great, I sell him and all that. I still haven't sold him. He's still listed, so I probably overpriced him. But I think he has some accessories in here, if I remember. Whoa. We have a Michelangelo of some sorts. This is, like, wrapped up. Okay, I'm getting through here. Ooh. We have... I think this is one of the original ones. It's a hard head, though. Of Rocksteady. Yeah. Nice. It's got the belt. I didn't have the belt on mine, so that's actually really good. Really good. Another one. Alright, Leonardo, another one with the sword. Looks like he never defended himself properly. Oh no, this is screwed on. This is a different figure than I'm used to. But he's got... Does he have a belt? Nope, that's on there. What is this colorful thing? Whoa! Alright, we got a really cool looking Michelangelo here with dolphins on him. Are those dolphins or small dolphins? Fish. They're fish. Maybe cut that part out. Maybe not. Oh, we have a sporty looking Raphael here. I like it. I'm assuming it's a helmet, but still, it could be a sport. They play sports too. Got a little mini Raphael, tiny. Very nice. Blast through that one. Meanwhile, it's probably worth more than some of the others, and I don't even know. Oh, this is like a strange, like, off-color Michelangelo here. And then, last but not least, we have, well, two things, actually. Oh, look at that mini Splinter. That's cool. I like him. Hope he doesn't get crushed in there. Last but not least, we have a Michelangelo, but what's special about him is he has both nunchucks. Makes me very happy. Okay. That's the bag. All right. Well, that was awesome. I have to see what's what in there. But yeah, thanks for watching. And if I missed something or I look through and something was worth a lot, just let me know. Or if it's all garbage, let me know too. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you didn't look at the fuzz the whole time. I hope you looked at some of the figures. But hopefully you enjoyed this. It was from a while back. I had to put up some of the comps on it. And I will see you guys in the next one. If you feel I've earned your subscription, please click subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I see a couple of you out there. It's really inspiring because I don't know who you are, but thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw in this video, click here to check out the Star Trek opening where I unboxed a whole bunch of figures and paid $50 shipping. It was crazy. Check it out.